Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to remove students in Google Classroom. Whether you are a teacher managing a class or an admin cleaning up your roster, this tutorial will guide you through step by step. First of all, launch open Google Classroom application on your Android device or your iOS device and make sure that you're logged in using your Google account's credentials. After you're signed into your homepage, go ahead and tap on one of your classes from where you want to manage your students. Select your class and then you will be able to see this information page from where you need to tap on People at the bottom right. Now, if you want to remove a student from your class, all you need to do is to get to the Students tab and then tap on the three dots right next to one of your students. Now in the pop-up, click on Remove and then confirm the removal by clicking on Remove once again in the pop-up. Soon after you click on Remove, the student will no longer have access to the class materials. So that's how I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching. You can easily delete or remove a student from your class in Google Classroom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.